Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. This is Thinkware's next-gen ARC900. But is it worth going beyond the ARC700? Let's find out. Unboxing. Inside the ARC900 box, we get the main front camera, the rear camera module, power/hardwiring options depending on region, plus the rear connection cable, mounts, cable clips, and the quick start guides. Design and install. Design-wise, the ARC900 keeps that stealthy bar-style look, but feels like a more refined, high-end unit. Still compact, with a discrete lens and minimal branding. Installation is similar to the ARC700. Front unit sits near the rear view mirror, rear unit at the top of the rear window. Power can come from a 12-volt cable, hard wiring, or OBD2, which are also needed if we want full parking surveillance. Specs and features. Here's what separates the ARC900 from the rest of the ARC lineup. By default, the front records in 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, and the rear records in 2K QHD at 30 frames per second for very detailed front and rear coverage. If we want smoother motion, we can switch to a high frame rate setup, 2K 60 frames per second on the front, and full HD 1080p 60 frames per second on the rear. Great for fast traffic or highway driving. Both cameras use Sony Starvis 2 sensors, so we get better dynamic range and low light performance than Starvis 1 sensors. Dual HDR, meaning HDR, is applied on both front and rear to handle bright skies and deep shadows at the same time. Super Night Vision 4.0 for improved night visibility and reduced noise. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6, USB-C power, and advanced parking modes. This combination of 4K/30, detail plus high frame rate, 2K/60, front and F, HD/60, rear on top of Starvis 2, and HDR at both ends, is the main reason to step up to the ARC900. App and smart functions. With Wi-Fi 6, pairing to the Thinkware Dash, Cam Link app is even snappier. We can quickly preview live video, pull clips, or tweak settings right from our phone. ADAS features like forward collision warnings, lane-related alerts, and safety camera alerts are available depending on region and setup. These help keep us more aware of traffic situations. Parking and energy saving. Like the ARC700, the ARC900 supports advanced parking surveillance modes. It can work with Thinkware's energy-saving features to reduce power draw when the car is parked, only kicking into full recording when motion or an impact is detected. On the road, the ARC900 shines in fast-moving situations. If we switch to that high frame rate mode, the 2K 60 frames per second front footage looks much smoother, especially on highways, or when we scrub through video looking for specific moments, while 4K 30 frames per second is there for when we want maximum detail. At night, we can see the advantage of the dual Starvis 2 sensors and Super Night Vision 4.0. Dark areas hold more detail, and HDR helps manage bright headlamps and reflective signs. That is our first look and review of the Thinkware ARC900. Let us know in the comments whether you'd stick with the ARC700 or step up to the ARC900, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out. Also, make sure to check the link in the description. The ARC900 is currently $60 off on Amazon, and you can even apply an additional secret code for another $25 off to get a double discount.